how do you stay on top of the industry?
Staying on top of the legal industry is a challenge because law changes every day. Every legislative session, our laws change. Fortunately, I'm a person who absolutely loves research. My minor in college was history, so I'm always researching. So it kind of works hand in hand. And I absolutely love research. I teach continuing legal education to attorneys. In fact, I'm preparing to go to Point Clear, Alabama to teach at a bench and bar conference at the end of the month. I teach for several other entities. And so teaching helps me to stay on top of what the newest trend in the law is. I love doing CLEs. I love doing educational, talks. I did one last week for my church on wills, trusts, estates, estate planning. So I love doing that kind of stuff, and it keeps me definitely focusing on top of what's going on in my industry.
Well, you're absolutely on top of what's happening in the trends of the legal profession. So thank you for your gift and to all those who are blessed by your legal services. So that was some general question, Attorney Davis. I'd like to move now to some specific questions. What services or products do you offer? I heard about the will and some other things, but what are some of the other services that you provide?
Sure. I'm a trial attorney. I've been a trial attorney since almost day one when I went to Washington, D.C. I was thrown into traveling around with law judges, administrative law judges, and we tried cases. So I'm a trial attorney. My primary practice is emphasis in litigation practice in personal injury cases for people injured in small automobile accidents, 18-wheeler automobile accidents, any kind of personal injury, slip and fall, we do it all. I practice a lot in the labor law area. I practice a lot of Title VII, discrimination law, housing discrimination, you name it, I do the discrimination piece. I do a lot of corporate law. I represent banks, I represent churches, I do successions, as you said, I do commercial litigation. So almost anything that can be tried, our firm does it in addition to doing estate planning, which includes your powers of attorneys, your wills, your trusts, that kind of stuff.
A lot of career experience over 26 years. I hope our audience is sucking up all of the services and products that you can offer, Attorney Davis.